Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So in order to turn off this device, you're gonna have to tap the start button, then go to power options, and then select shutdown or update and shutdown if you have some updates pending. And if you cannot do it this way because your tablet is frozen, then you're gonna have to hold down the power button until your laptop performs the forced shutdown. Just wait until the screen of your device goes off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.